Okay, for this question, for a side elevation, we imagine that we are a person standing at the side of the shape. Well, the front of the shape is shown here, so the side of the shape will be here, and this is my rubbish diagram of a person standing there. And we just basically write down what we see. Well, we can see, or we can't see this, can't see this, can't see this side at all, but we can see this side here. The dimensions of this side are going to be 3 centimeters by 6 centimeters by 8 centimeters, and it's on the centimeter grid. So let's start drawing the shape. So it's going to, let's start at the top right. So it's going to be 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be 3 across at the top here, and it's going to be 8 across at the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's just join that up. Like that, perfect. Now it's really important on the diagram we don't show any 3D-ness at all. So as soon as you show something like this, so like that, you lose the marks. Okay, so it has to have no 3D-ness at all. And you need to do it to scale normally. So it would be 8 by 6 by 3 on that diagram.